In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a classic casserole that's sure to become a family favorite. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a Jiffy Cornbread Casserole. This hearty dish is bursting with sweet corn flavor. It's pure comfort food. Now, if you really like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up because it really makes a big difference. Make sure you stay tuned to the end to learn my favorite variations to customize this classic recipe. And don't forget to grab the full printable recipe in the video description below. Let's start making our Jiffy Cornbread Casserole. So the first thing we're going to do is add some whole kernel corn to the bowl. Now, I've already gone ahead and drained this to remove the juice. So it's just the corn kernels. Then we're going to add a can of creamed corn here. So we're gonna get all of that in. Next, we are adding some sour cream. So I love this plunger measuring cup. It's great for ingredients like sour cream or peanut butter or molasses, anything that's a little sticky or gooey that will stick to a measuring cup. So I'm gonna give this a quick stir just to get that sour cream mixed in. It's adding a lot of richness to the casserole and kind of helping to pull everything together. So now to the corn mixture, we're going to add some melted butter and 1 package of Jiffy Cornbread mix. Okay, let's get that stirred in. You could probably swap an equal amount of like a gluten-free cornbread mix if that's your preference. Okay, a couple more things we need to add to this to finish it up. I have some shredded cheddar cheese, so in that goes. And of course we need to season our food. I say this all the time, season your food. That's what makes your food flavorful. Not salty, flavorful. So I just added some of my all-purpose seasoning here, and we're gonna give that a stir just until everything's mixed. Okay, we are going to transfer this to an 8x8 baking dish and pop it in the oven. Okay, so I have a square 8x8 baking dish here. So we're just going to transfer this entire mixture in there, getting it all out of the bowl, and I'm just going to spread it into an even layer. That looks good. We are going to pop this into a preheated oven. It does take about 40 to 45 minutes to bake, so you want to make sure you allow enough time for that. It is no wonder this classic recipe is always a hit. It smells amazing. Now, before we dig in, let me share some variations that you might want to try. First, you can easily swap the canned whole kernel corn for fresh corn. Just be sure to cook it first. And next, you can turn up the heat by adding some diced jalapenos or smoky chipotle in adobo. I just love that stuff. And last, don't save this recipe for the holidays. It's the perfect side dish for summer barbecues too. I love serving it with smoked brisket or grilled ribs. Now, I can't wait another minute, but I think I have somebody here waiting in the wind. You wanna come in and help me try this one, Joe? Say hi, Joe. Say hi to the YouTube Nation out there.
Hello, YouTube Nation.
All right, let's give this a try. So we're gonna...
That's different, you don't cut it.
No, you just scoop it with a spoon. I mean, look at that. You can see the corn like coming through. Fork. Fork. Oh, we're sharing.
Okay.
All right. Perfect. Cheers. Oh, God, it smells so good.
I'm making a mess.
Yeah, right? Oh, that's good stuff.
Very good.
That is really, really good.
Another.
Yeah. You just get to sit here and watch Joe and I share a plate of Jiffy Cornbread Casserole. Definitely, definitely.
Oh, it's amazing.
It's a keeper, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely a keeper. I'd say so.
There are so many great casserole recipes out there. I have an incredible loaded mashed potato casserole that everyone loves. check it out here. I'll see you over there.